Welcome back to New AI Tools channel. Today we're taking a close look at SoundSpark Generator, a cloud-based AI music style creation tool that lets you generate original, royalty-free music prompts instantly without music production skills or complicated software. Whether you're a YouTuber, content creator, marketer, or video editor, this tool aims to solve one of the biggest challenges in content creation: finding music that's unique, copyright safe, and affordable. With SoundSpark Generator, you choose the genre, blend instruments and vocal elements, and get clean, structured prompts to paste into AI music platforms for instant track creation. No downloads, no tech headache, just music you can use in your videos, ads, podcasts, or client projects. Let's jump in and explore how it works, what you can do with it, and whether it's worth your investment in 2026.
So, what if you could create the absolute perfect soundtrack for all your content in just a few seconds? And what if it was totally free, and you never ever had to worry about a copyright strike again? Well, that's not some far-off dream. Today, we're diving into SoundSpark Generator, a tool that's looking to completely change the game for anyone making content online.
You know the feeling, right? You are deep in that creative zone, your project is just flowing, everything's coming together perfectly, and then, bam, you hit the music wall. All that amazing momentum just grinds to a halt, and now you're stuck in that tedious, just soul-crushing search for the right track. It's got to be the biggest speed bump in the whole creative process.
And this wall, it's built with some very familiar bricks, isn't it? I mean, hours just vanish as you scroll through these massive, bloated stock libraries. You're either shelling out cash for subscription fees every single month, or you're settling for those same overused tracks that, let's be honest, everyone else is using. And the whole time you've got that nagging fear in the back of your mind about licensing and that dreaded copyright claim. Now this is where it gets really dangerous. It's one thing to sound generic, but the real risk here is devastating. I mean, imagine you spend weeks, maybe months perfecting a video, pouring your heart and soul into it, only to have it flagged and demonetized, all because of a 10-second music clip you thought was safe. For any creator, that is the ultimate nightmare scenario. Okay, so let's just flip the script for a second. What if instead of searching for music, you could just will it into existence? I mean, really, imagine just describing the exact vibe you want, the mood, the instruments, the whole feel, and then moments later, having a totally unique, original track ready to go. That's the promise we're going to dig into right now.
And here it is. This is the tool that makes all that possible. SoundSpark Generator. It's designed from the ground up for people like you and me. The YouTuber, the course creator, the podcaster, the marketer. Really, anyone who knows their content deserves a sound that's as unique as they are.
So, what is this thing exactly? Well, it's not another music library. It's a brilliantly simple, cloud-based prompt generator. You can think of it like a creative partner that speaks the language of AI music tools for you. It basically translates your vision into a perfect, detailed prompt that creates exactly what you're hearing in your head. Now, let's talk about how it actually works, because the whole idea here is all about speed and simplicity. We're not talking about learning some complex new skill. We're talking about a workflow that takes literally seconds. The entire process boils down to just 3 little words: copy, paste, go. And this right here, it just shows how easy this is for anyone to use. You don't need to know music theory. You don't need to know what a C-sharp minor chord is. Seriously, if you can point, click, and just describe a feeling, you can now compose completely original music. It's a huge leap forward. Okay, let's break it down. First, inside SoundSpark Generator, you build your style. You're like a musical chef, picking your ingredients. Second, the app generates this super detailed text prompt based on what you chose, and you just copy it with one click. And third, you paste that prompt into a free and really powerful AI music tool like Suno. Hit generate and boom, you've got your custom track. It's that easy. And when I say build your style, just look at the size of this creative toolbox. You can mix and match any of 238 genres with 145 different instruments and 103 vocal styles. You want to know what a cyberpunk sea shanty with a sitar and a gospel choir sounds like? You can actually do that. The potential to create a truly unique sound is, for all intents and purposes, infinite.
And this is where it stops being just a cool tool and becomes your secret weapon. See, when every single piece of your content has a custom-made soundtrack that perfectly fits your brand, you stop being just another channel in the noise. You become distinct. You become memorable. You actually own your sonic identity.
I mean, the transformation is it's undeniable. Before, you're dependent on someone else's library. You're constantly at risk, and you're always paying out fees. But after, you're creatively independent, you're legally secure because you own all the rights, and you are finally free from those never-ending subscriptions. The power is completely back in your hands. Okay, so we've talked about how this totally revolutionizes your own work. But what we're about to look at next is where this whole offer unlocks a completely different level of value. See, the creators didn't just build a tool, they've built an entire business opportunity around it. This is the full reseller package, and the logic behind it is simple. This is a product that pretty much every single creator on the planet needs. So they've packaged up everything you need to start selling SoundSpark Generator as your very own software product. And get this, you keep 100% of the profits.
So what exactly do you get in this business in a box? Well, you get the SoundSpark Generator app itself, of course. Crucially, you get full resale rights. And to make it totally effortless, they throw in a professionally designed sales website, a user manual that you can edit, and even a high-quality promotional video. It is a complete turnkey operation.
And getting set up? It's designed to be so incredibly simple. You literally just add your own payment link, like from PayPal or Stripe, to the website they give you, upload it to your domain, and you are officially in the software business, selling a hot product with massive demand. And on top of all of that, for a limited time, they're adding a fast action bonus to the package. This is designed to give you even more value right out of the gate, but it's only for those who get in on this initial launch offer. And this bonus is a huge asset. You get a collection of 50 studio-quality, professionally produced music tracks. Now, these aren't AI generated. They're human-made, they span a bunch of different genres, and they come with completely unrestricted rights. You can use them in your own projects, give them away to build your email list, or even use them to sweeten your own offer when you sell SoundSpark Generator. You know, if you boil this entire opportunity down to one core idea, this is it, right here. SoundSpark Generator lets you own your unique creative sound, and the reseller package gives you this incredible opportunity to own your very own software business.
So this all brings us to the crucial point. If you're ready to stop that endless music search and finally take full control over your content sound, and hey, maybe even launch a brand new revenue stream, this is your moment.
It's time to stop letting music be a roadblock. It's time to start creating with total freedom. This complete package, including the reseller license and those 50 bonus tracks, is a special launch offer, and it's not going to last. Go ahead and click the link in the description right now to get instant access.
whisper of days we can't refill.
Static crackles where words used to be, like the space between you and me.
I reach for the dial, static, fading away. Words we don't say keep slipping astray. The signal's weak, but my heart's still strong, trying to find where we went wrong.
The headlights flicker on a gravel road. Each mile feels heavier, a heavier load.
So, what sound are you going to create first?